Hello, I am Nathan Young, APSI's Marketing Officer, and in this video, I'll be demonstrating how to log into Moodle, APSI's e-learning platform as a first-time user. The first step would be to go to Google, your internet browser, type in APSI. Once you type in APSI, search, and then click through to the web page. So once you're in the web page, you want to direct yourself to the website header and look for the Moodle login icon. Then you want to click on that. Then it's going to get you to a page like this. Now head over to your emails and you will find an email with your default password as shown above on the screen. Now use your email and your default password to log in. When it's your first time logging in, it will ask you to change your password. So put in your current password and then you create your new password. After this, click Save Changes. Once you click Save Changes, the password would have been changed. Next step you want to do is you want to head over to the dashboard. If you go to the side over here to under My Courses, you will have Certificate 3 in Individual Support or whatever course it is that you're enrolled into. You want to click that course. Once you've clicked the course, you have an option of all the different units, which you can fast skip to by clicking on, and all the learner material will be below. For any other questions regarding Moodle access, please go and see the receptionist for further assistance or send us any of your inquiries to service@apsi.edu.au.